Here we are, another day, another job to do. Another day, we're outside in the garden, on the shed, putting on some battens for the cladding on the side. Yep. This is like a storage shed for now. Basically, it's going to be a garden room in the future. So for now, it's just a shed. Right, let's get on with it. Tape measure. Where's my pen? Yeah. Measuring up 60 centimeters. Spacing for the battens. Gonna do vertical cladding. Box profile cladding. Bit different from the front end. See how this goes. So pulling a string line to get me level. Lovely. Here we go. Wind this up. Yep. Here we go. Right, you hold that up your end. Hold it steady. Nah, just kidding, there's no one there. It's just me. Steady. No, that's me again. Right, where's the fucking screws? Yeah. Right, put one there. Yep. Lovely. Next one. Make sure it's level first. So you don't want your screws going all over the place. You want it uniform when you put the cladding on. Yep. Here we go. Next one. Hold that level. Yep. Lovely. Nice. Next one in there. Yep. One in here. Lovely. See that? Right. Get this bit. Make sure it fits. Yeah. Cut that right. Makes a change. Right. Don't need that. Where's my screws? Just keep them in my pocket really. I'll put my tool belt on, that'll help. Yeah. Yeah, that goes up there. Yeah. Put one more in there like that. Lovely. And join them together. Put one in there at an angle. Yeah, like that. Nice. And that's how it's done. Follow for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch up to date with all my other videos of DIY. See ya!